welcome to Sugar and Spice Cook with Huma. Today I'm here with another recipe, very easy and everybody's favorite, made with Nutella. Yes, actually I am not a chocolate lover, but whatever you guys feed me, it has Nutella, I love it. Yes, today I'm making a grilled Nutella sandwich. So here are the ingredients. I am taking an Italian bread, or you can take brioche bread, any bread which is your favorite you can get. So a few slices of Italian bread. Of course, you cannot make this recipe without Nutella. Nutella spread and some butter and some whipped cream optional. I'm just going to use it for garnish. Same with these raspberries for garnishing, and so with cinnamon powder for garnishing. So the main ingredients are these three ingredients: your bread, your Nutella, and some butter spread. So let's start cooking process. Okay, first I'm going to spread the butter on our toast. Generous amount of butter spread. Okay, now spread your Nutella on your toast. And at this stage, you can add some sliced chips of bananas inside your sandwiches, or add some roughly chopped pistachio nuts. It's your choice. I don't like any interference with my Nutella sandwich, so I'm going to keep those things out. But again, if you love them, go ahead and make yourself happy. Generous. Okay, now I'm going to add this slice on top, like so, to keep the mess away from my hands as much as possible. I'm going to flip it on this plate and then gonna butter this side. Now I am going to spread butter on the other side. Yes, make sure that you are spreading butter on the both outer sides of your toast or bread. Totally one of those guilty and pleasure foods. Okay, I have my grill pan on the stove and it's heated already on a medium flame. Carefully place your sandwiches like so. Okay, I've grilled it for about 1 or 1.5 minutes on that one side. Okay, carefully flip the sandwich. Look at those grill marks. It's so beautiful. Okay, now this side I'm going to toast it for a little bit longer, and I turn down the heat of my stove because I want to make it a little bit crispy. Okay, both sides are done. I'm going to take it out. Yep, toasty and crispy from both sides. I'm going to add or sprinkle a little icing sugar on top. Alright guys, our Nutella toasted sandwich or Nutella grilled sandwich is ready. I hope you like this sweet and chocolatey recipe. Until next time with another recipe, I'll see you guys again. Take care, bye-bye.